Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice new orange Fury coloring. This vehicle is going to be powered by that 2.5 liter hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package as well as the 4K tow package. We got rear park sensors on this vehicle, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front, totally blacked out accents, which adds a nice pop to the orange coloring, blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front, and moving to the front we do get those black decals on the front of the vehicle with license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, floor mats, some storage here, plenty of storage in the door here. We got carpet interior, we got 2 USB-Cs, cup holders that you can remove, and you do get your normal storage underneath. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see we have a manual driver's seat and passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, lights, gas cap, trailer brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 18 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, drive modes, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. We got a digital speedometer here with my view, trip and economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear slick, parking brake, traction, cup holders, and tons of storage. 12-volt USB and USB-C with your engine start-stop, your normal center console. You have your volume, playback, play forward, comm screen, hazards, and auto hold. Storage below and on the dash with a lovely infotainment system that has all your climate controls at the bottom, audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We do get your phone, settings, got your features of the vehicle right here, and any apps you may download will show up right here, the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA37546, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.